nabanggit mo kanina na tuloy na yung movie ni Glyza.
Yes.
Maraming restaurant fans na nag-aabang. So, yan, natupad na. Anong preparation nyo dito sa movie since second time nyo na mag-work together in a JL movie or PGL project?
Wala naman. Wala naman kaming... I think the best preparation that we can do is our comfortability with one another, especially if we're going to be showing anything that it takes intimacy, trust. That's what we're gonna work on. I don't think we really need to do any workshops anymore kasi I think na-prove na din namin sa isa't isa na we can really depend on one another. So, ayun, we actually had the freedom also to give some suggestions in terms of the script and everything. So, we're very excited and we think it's going to be a very... it's a really beautiful story and a beautiful movie.
And second to the last question ko na lang, anong kaibahan itong movie na to sa Rich Man's Daughter?
Ibang-iba. Yung buong
Mas
kwento.
intense ba siya?
Oo, at saka the personalities of our characters are completely different. And, ayun nga, medyo out of this world ang movie na to. Ayun, it's not, how can I say without giving spoilers? It's very different. It's a different dynamic, different personalities, and a very different story.
And last question na lang po, bakit ang Blastro ay ganun kalakas ang chemistry? Anong meron sa inyo? Bakit ganun siya kalakas?
Hindi ko alam. Hindi ko
Full support
talaga
talaga ang mga
alam.
fans.
You know, there have been times na kahit si Sam, sinabi niya sa akin, kasi syempre pag nagkikita-kita kami all at the same time, sabi niya, yung pag nakaalis na kami, sabi niya, may something talaga sa inyo ni Glyza na bagay kayo, no?
Hindi ba siya
Why?
nagsiselos?
Hindi ko alam. Hindi naman. Sobrang support nga siya eh. Parang may nakikita daw siyang something nakakaiba. But I honestly don't know what it is. It's something that I guess we're gonna have to ask the fans. And kung okay lang,
Yeah,
can I take the
sure.
opportunity
Yeah.
also to thank all of the fans kasi it's been more than a decade and to feel your support hanggang ngayon just means everything. So thank you so much, guys, for never giving up on us.
Yeah.
And because of you, we're doing this movie. So thank you.
Thank you pa. Thank you, Miss Rian. Congratulations sa sunod-sunod na project
Thank
niyo.
you.
Thank you.
Thanks so much.